So when you go to use StoryBoardThat, you're going to log in by clicking the Clever button on the login screen. Then you should see an assignment posted for Breadwinner Chapter 7. When you click on that, it'll bring you to a screen that looks like this, where you have 6 boxes, and this is where each scene will go for the comic strip that you're going to make. So if you haven't used this before, there are these different tabs that give you different options for things you can add into the comic. So scenes has all the different backgrounds that you could possibly want to use. So let's say I want to use this one to show where the setting is. I just click and drag. I actually don't like that one, so I'm going to delete it. And I think I like this one better. You can do things like change the color of the sky if you click on any of these buttons. If you want to look through other types of settings, they have all of these different tabs down here that give you options. Like, if you just want outside, these are the ones that are outside. Next, you are going to have to add in maybe a house. So you could actually search and you could find whatever house you think would represent what the house looks like in the story. So maybe I would pick this one, even though it doesn't have any stairs. I have to just work with what I have. Then you would have to add in some characters. Here are all your characters options. They all show up as white, but you can change their skin color. I just want you to look through and notice that there are the women wearing the hijab and the burqa, just like in the story, and some men that might look like how Parvana looks when she's dressed up as a boy. The characters button also has other tabs. So before those were adults, now I'm looking at kids. When I want to put one in, I will just click it and drag it. I kind of liked these ones better. So I can click and drag her in. I can change her size. I can change her skin color. And everything else. If you click edit pose, I think this changes how she's standing. You'll have to play around with that. The more detailed you are using the information from the text, the better you're going to do on this assignment. So you might want to add some of these things in, like if it says that Parvana's mom is upset, maybe she should have an upset face. So in the number 1 box is going to be scene 1. The next box, when it changes the scene, like when she is walking to the market, you might have to put in a different background. And you'll just have to look through and see which ones apply to the story. And you could always search for things, like if you need to find a pen sticker here, and you might need to click and drag and put those in.